Hello and welcome. If you've ever looked at something online and thought, wow, that's a really good deal, you are not alone. Today, we're going to do something a little different. I'm going to show you a Facebook Marketplace listing, and I want you to see if you can spot the scam. Let's take this one step at a time. Take a look at this listing. Brand new iPhone, only $200, must sell today. Send a deposit now to hold it. Take a moment. What stands out to you? Would you trust this listing? Let's break it down together. First, the price is extremely low. When something seems too good to be true, it usually is. Second, the seller is creating urgency. Must sell today is designed to pressure you to act quickly. Third, they are asking for money up front. That is a major red flag. This is how scammers trick people online. They create excitement, urgency, and pressure so you don't stop and think. Instead of sending money immediately, meet in a safe public place. Inspect the item first. Use secure payment methods. And remember, never feel pressured to act quickly. If this feels like a lot, that's okay. You're learning, and you're taking steps to protect yourself. If you found this helpful, subscribe for simple and safe tech tips. New videos every Watch Out Wednesday and Stay Safe Saturday. You deserve to feel confident online.